How many times have you thought you finished routing your design only to run a post-design DRC check and discover your placement is in violation? Instead of being finished, you're almost starting over. With OrCAD, you can easily predict these violations earlier during component placement. Let's see how it works. Go to the Display menu and select Vision Manager. Dock the Vision Manager window with other widgets and select Placement Vision. Now, you will see vision colors and various parameters to analyze component placement. Here, Placement Vision compares the Manhattan distance of the rat's nest with the DRC timing constraints that you've defined in the Constraint Manager. If this rat's nest distance meets the constraint's value, the rat's nest is highlighted in green for pass. If not, it will highlight in red for fail. You can also customize these colors to your liking. Here, I have already placed the BGA symbol and now I have to place the memory connectors at the required distance from it. Select the Move command from the toolbar. When you move the connector close to the BGA, notice the rat's nest color changes to green and when moving away it changes to red. Placement Vision will also work when symbols are on opposite layers. To check, right-click on the board and select Mirror. Now move the connector and see the rat's nest change color depending upon the distance between the connector and the BGA. You can also see a real-time status report of affected rat's nests. Click on View Log to see a report on length and the pass-fail status. You can further scrutinize this report by selecting Current View, which will show data only for what's on the screen. Design View will show data for your entire design. X-nets in particular need to be placed in close proximity. Select X-nets to highlight all the X-nets so that you can prioritize their placement. Now, you can repeat these steps for the placement of other critical symbols and avoid costly last-minute changes in your design. With OrCAD, it's easy to place components and find any violations early during placement.